Meaning of filibuster.
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 Filibuster. A filibuster refers to a tactic used in parliamentary procedure where a member of a legislative body speaks for an extended period of time in order to delay or prevent a vote on a particular bill or issue. The result of a successful filibuster is that the legislation under discussion is effectively blocked from being passed, as the debate cannot be ended and a vote cannot be taken. This can be used by opposition members to stall the progress of a bill they disagree with or to bring attention to a particular issue.